首先由我们 Simon 来介绍他自己。What's your name?
My name is Simon Dixon, and I'm the co-founder of banktothefuture.com, which is an online investment platform for people that want to invest in the future of finance. And I'm also a fund manager of Bitcoin Capital, which is a venture capital fund for those that want to invest in the growth of the new alternative finance sector.
Okay. Where's your company located?
That's a very interesting question because we have offices all around the world, and mainly our customers are from all over the world. So while we have different branches, we're registered with a regulator in Cayman Islands. We also have people in Hong Kong, in London, in Poland, in Amsterdam, and so geography is not so important to us.
What do you think about the Bitcoin capital? What do you think about the Bitcoin trading industry? Because I know that it seems that in 2015 the Bitcoin volume is reduced a lot.
So Bitcoin is an interesting thing because it acts like a stock, because people always are talking about the price, but actually the real value of Bitcoin is the technology behind Bitcoin. And it's kind of like Bitcoin acts like a stock, so the more valuable the technology is and the use of it, then the stock price tends to go up, as it were. So it's a very interesting year, 2015, because over the last year the volume increased, it became more useful. Over $1 billion of venture capital was invested in companies in the sector, yet the price went down. The interesting thing about Bitcoin is that it's still just as useful with a low price as it is a high price, but investors and speculators like to speculate on the price.
What's your company's advantage? Because Bitcoin, I know they have a lot of companies in all over the world. So what's your company advantage?
Yeah, so Bitcoin produces many different types of companies. We're an online investment platform, and at the moment we're the only one that's actually specializing in this sector. So most of the large Bitcoin companies, when they raise finance, they go to a venture capitalist and they allocate a portion to our investors. So we've got 13,000 investors that are all investing in the future of finance, and we get most of the major deals and major funds. So at the moment, we're pretty much the only place for an accredited qualifying investor to come and invest in this sector.
So can you tell the investor how to trade Bitcoin on your website or on your platforms?
Yeah, so you don't actually come to our website to trade Bitcoin, you'd go to an exchange to trade Bitcoin. Just like if you had some Hong Kong dollars and you wanted to buy some euros, you'd go to an exchange to exchange your Hong Kong dollars to euros. There's many Bitcoin exchanges out there. What we do is we're for long-term investors who are looking to invest in this sector, and we have products because Bitcoin is such an innovative form of money, and you can transfer them anywhere for free. We're able to do things that you can't do with traditional money. For example, rather than waiting a year to receive your dividends, we pay our investors dividends every day.
So your company provides the trading strategy and the trading analysis, yeah?
So rather than trading strategies and trading analytics, we provide products for you to invest longer term in the sector. So these are high risk, high return investments that normally take a longer term to mature, rather than trading products, which are just a short-term day trading type thing.
Okay. This is your company first time to go in China, yeah?
This is our first time. I wrote a book called Bank to the Future, which we launched in Beijing, and this is the first time we've been invited to Shanghai, and we've had many more invites from here. So I should imagine, because Bitcoin is actually the highest volume of traders come from China.
So what's your company's plan to promote your companies? Your company have a plan to set up an office at Shanghai or Beijing or other cities?
Yeah, at the moment we don't see any need to set up an office within China because everything's done online, and people invest online, and we have the best people all around the world to deal with different areas. So what we have done is we've structured our online investment platform whereby You could log on online, you could create an account, and you select which country you're from, and based upon that we'll tell you what the type of regulatory environment and who can invest, and we'll even give you your first investment free to get started and experience this new form of finance.
Okay, thank you for your interview.
Thank you for your time.